All right, guys, December the 19th, we just got to our last job of the day, and it is in need of some serious carpet cleaning. Look at this. This is just a bunch of organic staining. Look at this, guys. So we're going to be here for at least a few hours. This is a vacant house. I got Furman with me, his third job of his first day of his ride-along experience. So Furman's gonna sleep good tonight. We got some more organic stains. At least we got some good light in this house. So look at all these stains. Look at all these things. And this is why the ride-alongs are good, because these guys get a chance to see some really different experiences when it comes to cleaning carpets. So our first two jobs that we did today was nothing like this. So this is definitely one that he can get some great techniques. So we're gonna bring in the CRB, got some good pre-treatment made up. Actually, my treatment. Look at this. What you think, Furman?
Be interesting to see how this comes out.
Yeah, all righty, man. Well, all right, guys. Well, me and Furman about to get working and see what we can do to these carpets. So you guys stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm going to teach Furman how to use the CRB, which isn't hard. It's like pushing a lawnmower back and forth, but you can see how it's breaking down those stains already. Now remember, guys, these are organic stains, so we cannot expect these to come out 100% with the pre-treat. We might have to do some post-treating. You see that, Furman? Yeah. Yep. All right, guys, so this is Furman's third job with me today. He's riding with me for 3 days. All right, Furman, I'll let you finish CRB in. So what you do when you pull it up, it turns off. And then to start it, just put your foot right here and let it down like that. Let's keep the cord out your way. What I usually do is take the cord, kind of wrap it around my neck. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go make up some more pre-treat for the rest of the house. Excuse me, guys. All right, guys, so as you can see, you see some patterns in the lines, but that is not from the extraction, that is from the CRB, and you can see how much better it makes the carpets look already. I can already tell we're gonna have to do some post-treatment for a lot of these organic stains, but I will say I'm very impressed with the treatment combined with the CRB, and you can see all that came out of one of those areas. So now I got Furman back here extracting the carpets. So let's go take a look. You can see all the rooms are CRB. All right, looking, Furman. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking so much better. Yep, the area came out a whole lot better. All right, guys. Furman is almost done with the cleaning. and you guys can see how much better these carpets look. So what I'm going to do now that he's almost done, I'm going to go around and treat all the organic stains that we can still see on the carpets. Like, you see all those organic stains? So I'm going to use my spray and walk away. Just spray them, and it's going to help reduce those stains out. But I will say, just with the pre-treatment, the CRB and the extraction alone made a huge improvement in these carpets. So let's go take a look and see how everything else came out. And I'll tell you guys, it's been a long day. One thing about these Rod-A-Lones, they are very, very time consuming. But you can see how great the carpets are coming out. Furman has already got his strokes, his cleaning strokes down to a science. So he's doing really good. So you see right here, remember how bad that area was? But like I said in the beginning of the video, we were definitely going to be able to still see some of those organic stains left. So I'm just going to do is just treat these organic stains, and then I'm going to take my rake and rake it into the fibers. But with these results, it's a big improvement. All right, guys, so just a little day job in our day today. Tomorrow, 3 more tomorrow, and 3 more Saturday. And I'm going to enjoy some nice off time next week. Enjoyed my vacation. Not vacation, but just a little getaway last weekend in New Orleans. New Orleans was so fun. That was probably the best trip I took this year. Was New Orleans. I would definitely go back there. New Orleans definitely exceeded my expectation. I did not expect New Orleans to be what I thought it was supposed to be. So, but yeah, guys, we are doing great. Thurman's doing great. Why I keep calling him Thurman? It's Furman. Carpets are looking really good. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish up here, and we'll be done. Thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next one.